Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of home networking, and I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a robust home network and router in 2023. So, grab your devices, let's get started. Segment 1. Understanding your home network. Before we begin, let's understand the components of a home network. Your home network consists of devices like smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, gaming consoles, and more. These devices connect to a central hub, which is your router. The router acts as the traffic controller, managing data flow and ensuring seamless communication between devices. Segment 2. Choosing the right router. The first step is selecting the right router for your needs. In 2023, there are advanced routers with Wi-Fi 6 and even Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. Look for a router that supports your internet speed, offers good coverage for your home, and has enough ports for wired connections. 1. Segment 3. Physical setup. 2. Now, let's physically set up the router. 3. Follow these steps. Place the router. Position the router in a central location away from obstructions and interference sources like metal appliances or thick walls. Connect power. Plug in the router's power adapter and turn it on. 1. Connect to modem. Use an Ethernet cable to connect the router's WAN or Internet port to your modem's LAN port. 2. Segment 4. Router configuration. 3. It's time to access the router's web interface and configure it. 4. Follow these steps. 5. Find router's IP address. Check the router's manual or search for the default IP address in your device's network settings. 6. Access web interface. Open a web browser, enter the router's IP address, and log in using the default credentials or ones you set during the initial setup. 7. Set admin password. Change the default admin password for security purposes. Internet setup. Configure the internet connection type, DHCP, PPPoE, etc., and enter the required credentials provided by your Internet Service Provider, ISP. Wi-Fi settings. Set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Consider using WPA3 encryption for enhanced security. Guest network. If your router supports it, create a separate guest network to keep guests' devices isolated from your main network. 1. Firmware update. Check for the latest firmware update and install it for improved performance and security. 2. Segment 5. Connecting devices. 3. With the router configured, let's connect your devices to the network. 4. You can do this via Wi-Fi or using Ethernet cables for a more stable connection. Segment 6. Network security. Securing your home network is vital to protect your data and privacy. 1. Here are some essential security tips. 2. Change default SSID and password. Avoid using default network names and passwords to prevent unauthorized access. 3. Enable network encryption. Use WPA3 or WPA2 encryption to safeguard your wireless data. Enable firewall. Turn on the router's firewall to block malicious traffic. Update devices. Keep your devices, including the router, updated with the latest firmware to patch security vulnerabilities. Segment 7. Troubleshooting. Sometimes, network issues may arise. Here are some quick troubleshooting tips. Restart the router. Try restarting your router to resolve minor connectivity problems. Check cables. Ensure all cables are securely connected and not damaged. Contact ISP. If you're experiencing internet connectivity issues, get in touch with your internet service provider for assistance. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your home network and router in 2023. Now you can enjoy high-speed internet and seamless connectivity throughout your home. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech guides. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy networking!